Oishii.
Oh, wow.
Wow, like a snow in the summer.
Kaori-san,
Yes.
it's so hot today. It's summer in Japan. It's so hot, so humid. So I had you prepare something for
Right.
this weather,
Yeah.
which is
Mizore Sake.
Mizore Sake.
Uri-san, what it is?
Mizore is sweet, sweet sake, like mixture of snow and okay. All right. So yeah, let's see first.
Okay. I show you
Okay.
before your explanation.
Okay.
いきます。
Oh,
Can I
wow.
pour myself?
Yeah, sure. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, look at this. It's getting like slushy.
Slushy.
Wow, kanpai.
Oishii.
Oh, wow.
Wow, like a snow in the summer.
Oh, this is good. This is really
This is
good,
good.
actually. It's like it's not kakigori, but
Yeah.
kind of.
Such a magical sake.
But smoother than the kakigori, like a snow cone, you know.
Definitely, you should try.
Texture is smoother.
Smoother, and then sake seems to be a bit condensed. The umami is condensed.
Wow.
This is very entertaining.
Yeah, true. Okay, so what you did, how you did?
Oh, okay. In the morning, I put the sake. This one is a Alten sake. Little bit alcohol is content, like a Daiginjo.
Yes, and from where?
Takahashi Shoten.
Takahashi Shoten from Fukuoka Prefecture.
Yeah, it's better to use Daiginjo or Honjozo or Ginjo and put in a fridge for a few hours. Like I put in a 9 in the morning, and now it's
like
2 or 3.
2 p.m.
Yeah, like 4 or 5 hours in
the freezer. For the temperature is like
minus
negative 18.
Right.
Something
18.
like that. Okay.
Yeah.
This sake didn't freeze because this is sake.
Yeah, alcohol is content.
Alcohol content.
Supposed to be freeze with this minus temperature, like a minus 15 or minus 18, but I didn't move.
Okay, so you don't want to move it, just put in the freezer with a temperature is negative 18 or maybe could be negative 20, I don't know. But anyway, so just leave it for 4 or 5 hours. And also you have to put the glass in the freezer. Freezer is good. Okay. Okay.
And just pour, like, just give it a little bit vibration.
Yeah, so like not to pour gently, like pour like roughly. And then shake the sake, freeze
like a
sake
snow.
like this.
Yeah,
like,
this is very miraculous.
sweet.
You can do this magic in a party.
It's really good.
If you like a restaurant owner, you can offer to the customer for the big surprise service.
Yeah, true. Such a refreshing sake for the summer. You know, like this. You know, too hot, too humid summer in Japan. Definitely.
Yeah,
this is
sake
good.
can be playing around with a different temperature, warm and freeze. Yeah.
Undiluted sake also might be good because a higher percentage of alcohol content, right?
But I think Alten sake is good. So I also frozen the junmai, but it's frozen.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Because less alcohol content.
Yeah.
I see.
Do you experiment with your sake during the summertime?
Yeah, and try this Mizore Sake.
Mizore Sake.
Yes, and forget about the heat of the summer. Kanpai.
Bye.
I really like this texture. It's different from you put ice cube in the sake.
You don't have to
it's gonna dilute the sake.
Yeah.
This is not.
Yeah.
美味しい.
Yeah, a little bit fortified taste. Yeah. Wow, so different.
Yeah, definitely for this sake, it's better to pair with food.
Yeah, this is the beauty of Japanese sake.